All right, welcome back, friends. We got a new book for you. We just got done reading what? What's the title?
Charlotte's Web.
Charlotte's Web. Was it an awesome book?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It was. It was a great book. What was your favorite part of this book, Ellie? Do you remember anything? Maybe one of your favorite characters.
Mine is Wilbur.
Wilbur. Who is Wilbur? Can you tell the other kids who Wilbur is?
It's a piggy.
The piggy. Eli, what was your favorite part?
Oh, the swing part? The
when they were
picture of the swing?
Yeah, when they were swinging in their barn. I liked that part too. I think one of my favorite parts was how Charlotte became best friends with Wilbur. Because we love friends, right? Mm-hmm. Yep, and we try to always be nice to one another. So, we're going to dive in and draw one of our favorite characters. So, Ellie's was Wilbur, but today, who are we going to draw? Charlotte! And Charlotte is who? What is Charlotte? Spider! Crazy. Okay. All right, so we're going to dive in and draw a spider today. Okay, so what are we going to do first? We're going to draw a circle for the head, okay? So watch me. Watch me first, and then we'll dive in and let you guys follow along. So we're going to draw a little circle right in the middle of our paper, and that's going to be Charlotte's head. So a little circle right in the middle. Perfect. And then how many eyes do spiders have, guys?
10?
Close. You guys are both close. They actually have 8. Maybe they have more. Maybe I'm confusing it with legs. How many legs do spiders have? 8.
8.
Yeah. So watch me first. We're going to draw 4 little eyes right there on that side. So go ahead and do that. So draw 4 little circles on the left side. Maybe try to make little circles out of them. They can be bigger and then we can color them in later. So turn those little dots into circles. Yeah. Good job, Ellie. Good job, Eli.
1,
That's
2,
perfect.
3, 4.
That does look like little
I did
pupils.
4.
Good job. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna draw 4 little dots, 4 little circles. And it kind of looks like a mirror reflection. So on one side of the face, that's something we call symmetry. Can you say symmetry? Symmetry. That just means it's the same on one side as the other.
1, 2.
And watch this.
Now she's looking.
Yeah, she's looking. So watch, we're gonna add a cute little smile for Charlotte. Just a little U shape. Just a smile right in the bottom. Is that cute?
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
Love it.
Okay, so we're gonna draw the middle part of Charlotte's body. So it kind of started at the bottom of the circle, and then we drew kind of bigger to make it look like it's behind the head. Good job, Ellie. Good job, Eli. Okay, we're gonna draw her big butt. It's gonna be the same thing. It kind of looks like ice cream scoops like we did last week, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Good
Mine
job.
is melting.
It's melting again? No way. Ellie drew a melting ice cream cone when we talked about one of our other favorite books. Should we share our ice cream? And if you missed that, go check it out. What is this spider missing? What else do we need to draw? How do spiders...
It's legs!
It's legs, yep. How do spiders crawl around? I'm gonna draw one leg kind of coming up this way. And I'm gonna do like an A shape and then one more angle down this way. I'm gonna do that same thing, but 4 times. And this front one, watch this front one, guys, real quick. I'm gonna draw kind of coming right from underneath her head, and then watch. I'm gonna put it kind of right down here below her head. So try to make 4 legs that kind of go out that way. So maybe start it from that part of the body, Ellie. So draw a big line, diagonal line up, and then kind of curve it down. Good job. Now do that 3 more times. Yeah. So start it right there against that body. Good job, Eli. I like you guys' eyes and your smiles. That's awesome. Okay, say the word symmetry again.
Symmetry.
Symmetry. So again, symmetry just means it needs to look the same on the other side. So Eli has already drawn his legs on the other side, so you can pause for a second. And then Ellie, you're gonna do the same thing. So draw a line up this way.
Pause the video.
Yep, good reminder. If we're ever going a little too fast for you, feel free to pause the video. You can take a second to catch up.
Hey, Dad.
What's
Can
up?
I give them a real tip?
What's your tip?
Okay.
Can you sit on your knees?
Mine is like, my foot is like that.
I love that. That's cool. It's like it's reaching up for something.
So at the end of the video, when we're done coloring, you can pause the video to make your spider look like ours. But if
Yeah.
you don't want to, you can just not pause the video.
Yep, that's okay. Okay, so we have, what did we just get done with? We got a head, we drew 8 eyes, a mouth, her middle part of her body, her bottom, and 8 legs, so kind of arching up, coming back down, and then her 2 front ones. What is she gonna be grabbing?
Oh, her little
Yeah,
egg sac.
in the story, she made an egg sac. So I'm gonna draw a little circle right here in her 2 front arms, her 2 front legs. So Ellie, you can kind of draw some legs down there, and then you can draw a circle right there. And that'll be her little egg sac with all her little babies she's holding. All right, sit back.
Mine
So-
is a tiny duck.
A tiny, what, a duck? Okay, I like that. Okay, so we're gonna add one more little detail up here.
Goosling?
Watch this, on her bottom, we're gonna draw a little spike. So it's gonna be like a line up and a line over the other way, and then back down. What are these parts, do you remember? On a spider?
Spinnerets.
Spinnerets, yep. So we learned about spinnerets in the book. That's where the spider's silk string comes out of, or spider web. So we're gonna draw a line all the way up after you make those little spikes. So it's gonna look like she's dropping from her spider web.
I have already
Yep.
done that.
You already did the web, so yep, Ellie, do the line up. Maybe go right up to the edge of the paper. Try not to mark on the table. Go right up to the edge. Good job. Now watch this. We're gonna make, pause
gonna
Eli.
make a
Hang on,
spider.
hang on. We'll get to that. So Eli likes to be creative. He likes to add a lot of funny little details to it. So you guys can too, but let's keep following each step by step, and then you can add some of the cool details afterwards. So there's a spider web that she's coming from.
I'm gonna add a detail.
All right, let's do one last little detail. Hang on, Eli, watch. On the little egg sac, she attaches it inside like a little barn. So we'll add little spider webs that kind of come off the egg sac too, like it's sitting there attached. So we'll add 5 little curves. Can you do that to the bottom of your egg sac? And then we'll add the same little spider web curls in between each of those. So watch how I do this. Do you guys want to watch? So I did a little lump up that way, a little lump, little curve, another little curve.
Mine's gonna be thick.
I like that, Ellie, good job.
Looks like a chicken egg to
A
me.
chicken egg? That's funny. So right now we're gonna pause. We're gonna switch over to some of our colors and try to have fun coloring whatever color we think Charlotte is. What color do you think Charlotte is?
Pink.
Pink? That'd be a good color.
Gray, because she's a gray spider.
One of my favorite
Tells us.
spiders is black and yellow, so I might do some black and some yellow. All right, so have fun coloring.
His little greedy temper thing.
I like that, that's hilarious. All right, guys, what did we just get done with?
Coloring Charlotte,
Yeah.
and if you want to be creative, you can draw Wilbur and little greedy old
Little greedy old Templeton.
Templeton.
That's funny, I love it. Ellie, I love your colors that you chose too. You chose
It is-
pink and some red.
And he's really
That's cool.
mad because he always does chores for
Yeah.
Wilbur and
Yeah,
Charlotte.
Templeton, he always did some chores and went out and got some words and
And
stuff.
I did the red right there.
I love it. What's on the bottom of mine?
A piggy nose.
A little piggy nose that looks like Wilbur that's looking up at Charlotte and talking to his new best friend.
Why don't you draw a speech bubble?
Oh, we could. Yeah, we can add that detail later. All right, so did you have fun coloring? Was it awesome? All right, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, good, good. Okay, so have fun coloring your new spiders, your Charlottes that we drew from this book, Charlotte's Web. We highly suggest this book. It was an awesome read, wasn't it? Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Make sure you hit the little bell too, so it notifies you every time we release a new video and a new kids book to read. Okay? Thanks for joining us this week. We had an awesome time drawing Charlotte and coloring her in with her new little baby egg sac. And we added some creative little details, pinks and reds, and Wilbur's little nose, and Wilbur, and the greedy little Templeton. That was a good idea. I liked that book. All right, so try and read this book. I know it's a big one, but enjoy it as a family. It takes some time, so be patient, enjoy the story, and we hope you love it too. All right, bye friends.
Bye.
See you next week.
Bye.
Bye. We're gonna start. Don't smell the marker. That's bad. All right. No, don't touch it either.
Well, there's a little.
This is just asking for blooper reels. So you're probably going to start getting a lot of bloopers, some funny moments with these two kiddos. Did you still not wipe your face?
Yes, I did. Owie.
You guys both go rinse your mouths real quick. Go get a wipe. Fun stuff. Pizza sauce on the face.
I just have to add one more detail. I got a 5.